In this video, we will show you how to master negotiating roundabouts, putting the mirror, signal, maneuver system in place. So, first of all, when approaching junctions, we have to consider the mirror, signal, maneuver routine. This means, on the approach to the roundabout, we first check our mirrors. Who is around us? What vehicle is it? Is there a cyclist likely to come up alongside you? Is there someone who might try to overtake you like a motorcyclist? Is there anyone close behind you? How fast are they going? Where are they positioned? Do you need to be careful of anyone? These are all questions we are answering when we check our mirror. Next, we signal to let people know our intentions at the junction. If you're not sure how to signal at roundabouts, watch our video on roundabout positioning and signaling. Then we start slowing down, whilst getting our road position and the correct gear. Slowing down early and gradually creates more time for you to get your gear, and also helps you check your road position, and gives you time to read the roundabout. This helps you make a decision as to whether it is safe to join the roundabout or not. We generally use second gear when approaching roundabouts. This can change dependent on your visibility on the approach, which we will discuss later. So here is how that looks in person. Here we can see the roundabout up ahead. We are taking the first exit, left. So we start our mirror, signal, maneuver routine from roughly this distance, around 100 yards. So we check our mirrors. We can see nothing concerning. There are no cyclists. Now, as we are taking the first exit left, we put a left signal on. Now we start slowing down gradually whilst getting second gear. We can see there is an obstruction on the left approaching the roundabout. We will need to get a position over to the left after this obstruction. Now we are arriving slowly at the roundabout, in the correct gear with our clutch up. Notice the driver will keep their eyes moving. They look right to check it is safe. Then they check their position. Then they check for traffic on the roundabout. It is important to keep your eyes moving in this way. When looking for traffic, we need to give way to all traffic coming our way. We must enter the roundabout at such a time that we are not going to impact anyone's journey on the roundabout. We cannot cause someone to brake by emerging in front of them. We also must give way to all traffic arriving from the right, regardless of the lane it is in. So if there is a car in the right lane, with a right signal, we still need to give way to it, even though we are turning left in the left lane. Even though you may think you have space because it is on the other side of the road. The driver may wish to exit. So wait until you have a clear gap in both lanes. This car has a left signal on, so it is exiting the roundabout. The car behind does not have a right signal on, so it should not be coming our way, though we cannot rely solely on signals, which we will discuss later. Both these cars are blocking this car from entering. All this means is we have a good opportunity to emerge. Once you have made your decision, it is important to get your speed up promptly. Squeeze your accelerator gently to get your speed up so you do not cause problems by being too slow. We don't want to accelerate aggressively and go too quick, because your progress needs to be well controlled. But we must be efficient so as not to cause problems for other drivers, by making slow progress. When you are leaving roundabouts, keep an eye out for speed signs on the new road you are entering. It is important to cancel your signal. Leaving it on if the car hasn't cancelled it itself would be a misleading signal. So here it is again, at a quicker speed. Mirror. Signal. Slow down. Select second gear. Check position and traffic to the right. Make a decision. Pick your speed up. Keep an eye out for speed signs on the new road you are entering. Cancel your signal. Now, we will follow the mirror, signal, maneuver routine, going ahead at the same roundabout. The second exit, ahead. Mirror. Slow down. Select second gear. This time, as we approach the roundabout, we have a car in front of us waiting to emerge. We can also see more traffic on the roundabout preventing it from emerging, so we are going to have to wait behind it. So we need to stop a safe distance behind it and select first gear. Now the car in front is moving. We will move forward slowly whilst checking the traffic to the right. We can see the roundabout is clear, so we will keep the car moving. It is important to steer left to keep a course around the outer edge of the roundabout. We must keep our lane discipline, so keep an eye on the left curb and ensure your vehicle is near enough to it at all times whilst going around the roundabout. Now we have passed the first exit. We will put a left signal on, whilst checking our mirrors to see what is going on around us. We can see in the right mirror, there is a vehicle behind us to the right. This is why it is important to have good lane discipline and awareness at all times on a roundabout. This vehicle could be in a rush, and potentially be closer, alongside us. Cancel your signal. So here it is again, at a quicker speed. Mirror. Slow down. Select second gear. Check position. Steer left to keep a course around the outer edge of the roundabout. Put a left signal on, whilst checking our mirrors to see what is going on around us. Cancel your signal. This time we are going to take the third exit right. Mirror. Signal. Again, we can see a queue at the roundabout, so we will be ready to stop at the safe distance behind the parked cars and select first gear. Slow down. Select first gear. Hold a position up to the center line. This car has a left signal on, giving us opportunity to emerge. We must now hold our position close to the center of the roundabout. Put a left signal on, whilst checking our mirrors to see what is going on around us. It is particularly important we check our left mirror when exiting a roundabout from a right lane position. If you do not think it is safe to exit, the best option is to keep your right signal on and go around the roundabout again and exit the next time if it is safe. Cancel your signal. Do you think this video was helpful? Let us know in the comments. In the next video, we will discuss how to read roundabouts and how visibility on the approach affects our approach speed. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.